Remove the original car seat. Remove these two screws. Remove these two screws from the rear seat. Lift the seat up and find these 3 power cords. Unplug these 3 plugs.
先指一下2个线。
Unplug those cable from the original car hose.
OK， 好。
Use tools to assist in unplugging those cable.
就知道是这2个镜头啊，这很好拔的电源线。
Unplug the power cord of the original car hose.
好，开始。
Connect the CarPlay power cord to the original car power cord. Insert the CarPlay power cord into the original car console. Connect the original car hose line using the CarPlay hose out cable.
好，找了。
CarPlay hose out cable insertion box. Hose out interface. Insert CarPlay hose in line.
这不印吗？印到主机啊。
Insert the other end of the CarPlay hose in cable into the original car host. Connect the power cord of the box. Connect the antenna. The antenna cannot be attached to iron. Connect USB cable. Connect USB audio box. Insert the 3.5mm headphone cable from CarPlay into the USB audio box. Select the USB option on the original car audio interface. Switch the system interface by pressing the previous button. Mobile search box Bluetooth. Click CarPlay Bluetooth to connect and pair. Thank you for watching.